Got it here, Mars Pro Bluetooth speaker. This is like a figurine and a Bluetooth speaker at the same time. Check this out. So if you want to set up your gaming room, this probably could be really good option. Wow, that's a genius packaging. That's it. There's your chargers and adapters. So on this side you have a speaker, on the other side is a boombox. What I love about that, first of all, let's set up the tripod over here, tripod legs. You can set it anywhere, and it has this rubber soft legs. You can adjust them, I guess. Pretty cool. The only spinnable part is right here, nothing else movable. But look at that elastic look to it. Obviously this right here would be the front, and you see how it looks like it has some scratches and scars. That is cool. So the charger is on the bottom. Obviously that's going to sound amazing. I think the volume, you just press it up and down. Let's turn it on. If I find the turn on button, might have to get. Ooh, wow, this is the buttons right here. I thought it was. What? Wow, that sounds like video game. Look at that light bar. What else? So we're ready to pair. There's different lights, yellow, green, red. So just lots of lights, settings. Okay, we're gonna pair it real quick.
Bluetooth connected.
Now let's play my video. This side here is sound.
Hopefully it will
Up and down.
feel the action. That's
Isn't
the
that
only
cool?
thing I could understand. So it has a really nice zip plug.
Sounds really
First
good.
of all, look,
Obviously to the
chocolate.
camera you will not hear it, the sound, but I really like it. So most people will think it's just a figurine, but in reality that's actually a speaker. That's what it's going to look like in the dark. Plenty of lights. Check this out. Wow. Quite a few lights, and there's the speaker up and down. Let's flip it over. Couple more lights. So this is gonna be the front. That is cool. So that's what it looks like in the dark, sitting on a desk. That looks pretty nice. I don't know why, but today I got a lot of tech gadgets. Yeah, I'm not gonna be a tech channel, but anyways, look how cool this power bank is. It's see-through. You can buy it non-see-through. They said here a couple coil that will charge your phone. Obviously you'll have to turn it on. You know what? It's charging. Just set it this way, and it showed me that it's charging. That's cool. You see it has a little button that is charging. It's also a stand. Whenever you flip this over and lock it in, it's still kind of new and stiff. Then you set this up and it's like a magnet. My phone a little bit heavy, seems to be. It's sliding down. Looks like with the case it will not hold it. My case may be too thick or something. So definitely needs a bigger magnet. Okay, my phone right here. Okay, without the case it stands in there very well. Just remember, with the case it might not work. And that way you can be charging your phone and watching a movie. That is cool. Just will not work with every single case. So there you go, that's why we're reviewing these gadgets. But anyways, most people are watching their shorts and TikTok vertical, so this just scroll, so probably will work this way, no problem. So anyways, very unique little power bank, stands out way more than any other power banks that I've seen. There's a 500 mAh. So I thought it was cool, you might like it as well. Look at all the magnets around here. Next I got it here, power up fidget cable. So Tangle-free cable. Let's open it up. This thing is like 6 or 3 feet, and it has magnets around it. So it will never get tangled up. If you wanna lock it in super tight, you can put them in each like that. It probably be too long of the cable. You wanna probably skip one, but nevertheless it's quite fun to roll it up. Boom. So you can even stand up your little cable. Probably the most efficient way to do it is like a skip to, and they'll just plug in into themselves. So it is super easy. So yeah, you have this side here, little cord that you can set it on a desk inside the drawer. It's not gonna get tangled up like all of the rest of the wires. Since we're talking about charging wires, guess what? This side here is a keychain wire. Let's see. Also magnetic. It will just go to your key and locks in, stays with your key. And whenever you need to charge it, first of all, you have the old iPhone charger, or regular one. There's a plug. You open this up and you have one of these newer ones. My car has this plug, newer car, and then a regular phone. So you can even plug it in into regular USB, like into the computer, and into one of those different devices. Or you plug this in and plug it in into your iPhone. And once you're done, just put it on your keychain. This is a smart little gadget. I love it. This idea EDC gadget by Griffin Co. So you put it on the keychain. How does this come off? I know it comes off. There you go. So you can put different drill bit on it, and it looks really cool. Does it open up on any way? Nope. But yeah, you bring it with you, it stays in there. So I guess that's why they put it one of this Phillip head that is not too sharp. I wish it would like flip and close somehow, but nope, pretty simple one. I wish it would pop in all the way deep. That's what I thought it would be, but it is what it is. I like keychain everyday carry gadgets. There you go, one of them. Next I got right here all light lantern. Came out a couple months ago, I think. Still a relatively new product. All light packaging, usually pretty awesome. Look at that. Okay, look like copperish look to it. You see just a yellow light side here, and then you go more, and then the other one turns on. That's pretty cool. What is that? I think this is like a power bank. You can use this to charge up your phone and stuff. As you can see, it has USB, and also the magnetic charger is on a button. Oh, you know what? You can put it on a tripod as well. Okay, that's cool. And there is right here lumen charts and a runtime on different type of settings.